Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I am looking at the problem which I faced while creating a measure. So what I wanted to figure it out, based on the year today, I wanted to get the orders for today, for the latest year. So in this case what I thought of using it, hey, why don't I simply go ahead and start using the filter function, because what it will going to filter is superstore data and give me the current year data, right? So basically in that case what happens is it basically gives you the expression, this error which says expression refers to multiple columns. Multiple columns cannot be converted to a scalar value. Now for a beginner it becomes like a problem, like what does it really mean and how do I solve the problem in the end, because we want to get the data that is related to the current year. So to solve this problem, for first thing first is filter function returns a table, right? And that is why what current year is expecting is to basically get the one value, but what you are returning is multiple value in a table, because filter returns a table, right? So what you can do in this case is, if you are trying to get the latest year information as a single value, wrap it around a function which will give you the aggregated value or the one value which you wanted to get, like current year. And before I show that how you can resolve it, just a quick information that all of my Power BI videos, I save it in this Google, which is here, and what I basically keep a track of all the videos that I'm producing, and the current video is this one. So the objective behind creating this sheet is so that you can easily come over here, search any of the video or any of the previous video that I have uploaded, and you can jump onto that using the link present in column B. That way searching become very easy and you can refer to any of my previous video whenever you want. So make sure you bookmark this and get the most out of it. All right, let's get back to Power BI. Okay, so what are we going to do is, we will going to wrap it around the function called maxx. So what maxx is expecting first is table, so filter returns the table, right? So that is what we are giving it right over here. And then we can the next thing is, we can simply provide that we need year and order date over here, and that way, since I want to get the current year information and I was getting that error, I will be able to resolve that issue. Now you can see the problem has gone, and I can check all of this information by creating this current year over here. And right now it is returning blank. The reason for it is the data that I am having in the superstore is still 2022, but what we are having today is the date for 2023, right? Otherwise it would have given you the correct value. But objective is that if you are facing this issue, wrap this function around the maxx and get the column that you need, and it will give you the output. So that is what I wanted to show you, how you can resolve this problem and what is the problem, why this problem is coming. Hopefully you will not be able to run into an issue into this kind of a problem again, because you know the solution. All right, with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.